Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, just been traveling, attending family events, but now I am back, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start a $1,000 a month digital project business with just an email list, a landing page builder like Systeme.io, and a free tool that allows you to create your freebie for completely free, and you don't have to do anything. And I'm also going to show you how you can create your freebie content using artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. You guessed it. So if that's something you're looking for, that's something that's interesting to you, stick around to the end of this video. And also, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will so much appreciate it. Now let's get right into it. Now, if you are not aware, if you're an online creator, if you are an online business owner, you know that email lists are the most important tool in your arsenal. Everybody talks about it. You need an email list. You need an email list, and that is the very truth. You need an email list if you run an online business. In fact, for every one email that you have, it should be earning anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for every email that is subscribed in your list. And email lists are very important because it allows you to market your business over and over again without spending money to reacquire customer. Now, how do you build an email list? Now, the number one thing that you need to keep in mind is that building an email list takes time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something that's going to happen in a few days or in a few months. You need to put in your consistent efforts, and you need to stick at whatever you're doing over a period of time. If you're going to build an email list, you need something called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is just as the name implies. It basically attracts people. It tells people that we have some type of value, and in exchange for that value, can you give us some email? And when people go on to your landing page builder, your website, whatever it is, they put in their email and they get sent the lead magnet that you have created beforehand. And how do you create a lead magnet? There's so many types of lead magnets that you can create. You can do an ebook, you can do a case study, you can do something like a list. For example, I have in the link of this video a lead magnet that I've been running for almost 3 months at this point, and that is how to create high converting landing pages. It's a simple checklist in the form of a PDF that when you enter your email, you will be able to download, and it just guides you on how to create high converting landing pages in order to make more sales, generate more leads for your business. And an online tool that I use to create my lead magnet is a website called Attract.io. And what you're looking at on the screen right now is what the home page looks like. Create irresistible lead magnets that will grow your email list fast. And it is very straightforward. Once you sign in, it brings you to something like this. This is one of the lead magnets that I created. Like I said, it's a checklist on how to create high converting landing pages. Now, when you want to create a lead magnet, you click on the button here, and it has different type of templates that you can implement right away. Now, there's a resource guide template, there's a checklist, there's a case study, and there's an how-to guide. And you can just click on any of this lead magnet types, and you can find templates that are already created, very beautiful templates, very colorful, and it's going to look very professional. Now, let me just go back to one that I've created prior, and this is 10 expert checklists for designing high converting landing pages. As you can see right here, it's in PDF form, and when you click on that, this is exactly what it looks like. Very simple 4-page PDF that just tells people, teaches them how to build landing pages. Once you go to where it says published, you can see right here there's a live page view, and there's a box where you can customize your URL. So the good thing about Attract.io is that you do not have to have a copy of that lead magnet on your device, on your computer or your phone. You can simply copy this URL and just send that to people, and you will be able to track how many people have viewed, how many people have downloaded your PDF. So let's say I want to create a new lead magnet. All I have to do is click on that. I will click on checklist, for example, and I will choose a template. Say I want to use this template, right? All I have to do is come here and just edit what I have here. It says 7 easy website optimizations that will 5x your subscribers, or I can say 10 easy optimizations that will increase your conversion rate by 40%. Now, that is the title of my lead magnet, and you can have your name here. I'm gonna put my name here, Daniel Moore, and I'm gonna do just a random website, danielmoore.com, and right here you can add your picture, you can add your content of your ebook, and you can just do pretty much anything you like within the context of the template itself. And when you're done, you can view it live to see what it looks like on, how other people will be seeing it, or you can just come in here and you can just publish your new lead magnet. Now it says your lead magnet is now live. If you want to go to advanced publish settings, you can go here and say new, boom. Now this is exactly what it looks like, and this is what people are going to see. So that is how you can create your lead magnet for free using existing templates. Now, how do you create the content of your lead magnet? Now all you have to do is, now things are easier. chat.openai.com, and all you have to do is type in the subject of your lead magnet. Maybe you want a checklist of 5 on how you can increase your web conversions. All you have to do is go to ChatGPT, type in that subject, and it's going to populate at least a full list of 5 eye converting strategies that you can add to your lead magnet. And that is as simple as that. You don't have to rack your brain or try to come up with stuff yourself. Of course, with a little input from you, it's going to make it even better and more attractive. Now after you've done that, all you have to do is utilize a tool like System.io, which I talk about a lot on this YouTube channel. For example, this is one of my landing pages that I host my checklist on, and all you have to do is go on System.io. I made a video that teaches you exactly how to build a landing page from start to finish, connect your domain, and do all that good stuff without having to stress yourself. I'm going to put the link right here in the cards or in the description, so go check out the link on how to create eye converting landing pages. This is a very simple one, free checklist download. You put your email list here, and you put your email address here, and it's going to send you that checklist into your inbox, which I created with Attract.io. So as you can see, all of this is all tied together in a very seamless manner. So what do you want to do next? After you've created your freebie, you created a landing page, now you're collecting email. What you want to do next is to find a eye converting offer to promote. Now you can do that by being an affiliate, or you can create your own product. Now if you're just starting out, I always recommend that you be an affiliate for an existing product, because creating a product from scratch is not something that I recommend that anyone undergo if you're just starting out. Of course, once you start honing your skill, you know exactly what you're talking about. Creating a product will generally come by logical thing. The next logical thing will be for you to create your own product, especially when there's a demand for it. And if you're not creating a product, you might do something like a one-on-one consultation or whatever it is that feels natural to you at that stage of your career. But the most important thing is to find a product that people already love. On this channel, for example, I talk about products that I use, and I've partnered with some great brands that I talk about here all the time, either as an affiliate or as a brand partner. So you can find those products and you can promote them through an email list to your audience. That is exactly how you make money. There's no gimmick about it. There's no strategies about it. Of course, email marketing is a different ball game on itself, and it takes some learning, takes a while to really get good at it. But if you are a complete beginner, this is one way through which you can get started. There's a ton of resources out there that's going to teach you exactly how to optimize your emails, get more open rates, and get more clicks on whatever it is that you're promoting. So these are the simple steps to building a $1,000 a month digital business with an email list, with a landing page builder like System.io to build landing pages, and a tool like Attract.io to create your freebies using content that you generate with ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. So this video has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section down below. And if you want my quick resource on how to create eye converting landing pages, check out the link in the description as well. And if you want to book a call with me, maybe you have some specific needs on how to start and grow an online business, landing pages, optimization, running ads on Facebook, Google, whatever it is, because this is what I do on a daily basis, feel free to book a call with me down below in the description. I'm going to put a link down there. And again, thanks for watching this video to the very end. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.